If it comes up, it means brand new. Well, let's take a trip across the pond. QVC Germany, QVC UK, great brand over there now being introduced to you here in Westchester, PA in America. Synoshi is the name of the brand. And this is a rechargeable power spin scrubber. How much more power than traditional scrubbing? You don't want to scrub? How about this story? How about 263% faster compared to you and I doing it ourselves?
Exactly.
Erica Swinburne, that's a lot of work that I'm not doing, that I'm letting the Synoshi do all the work. Great stuff.
Yeah, you got it. You name it, Rick. I mean, this is so lightweight. It is under a pound, but it does all of the things we need to do on a regular basis, like clean the tubs, clean the showers, clean the pots and pans, clean your car, clean your upholstery, sneakers, shoes, you name it, you can clean with your Synoshi. But it's super lightweight. It's rechargeable, so you never have to buy batteries, never have to worry about replacing them.
And it's cordless.
And it's cordless, so you can take it everywhere you need to go,
neat.
in the shower,
That's
in
killer.
the sink. Does every job.
Okay, but before you scrub more, come
Okay.
on over here,
Yeah,
because you're
let's do
getting
it.
like a lot of attachments.
Yes.
7 attachments, brand new to QVC. You get these guys, which are the...
Yeah, so those are the steel wool pads you're
Whoa.
going to use on your grill, your oven racks, really difficult, pans, pots and pans, your stainless steel.
Okay, I got 2 of those.
2 of the cone brushes, those, Glenn, all of these brushes exclusive to our pack up with QVC. You
1,
won't get
2.
those anywhere else.
Normally 75, so take a look. 39, you're getting all the extra attachments basically for free, right? For less than the price of just the Synoshi. Elsewhere, you're getting more. And what about on top?
So you get your scouring pad, non-scratch. You can use that on all your dishes. You're getting your scrub brush for stubborn dirt. And then you're getting this sponge scrubber as well. So literally any job you, your family, your house can throw at this, it's going to be able to tackle it.
Okay, all cordless.
Yes.
I love that. And rechargeable. Let's put it to work.
Yeah,
Did I get that number right? How much more power?
263% faster than using your hands to
try
scrub. So if somebody told you, I can give you 263% more time back in your day, would you take it?
I would take it.
I would take it. And
I
this
would just
does
let
it.
this thing do the work.
Yeah, let it do the work for you.
Look at that.
Again,
It's like let the Sonicare do the work on my teeth, right? So I don't have to brush.
That's exactly
this is
what
like
it
letting
is.
it do the work on all the other parts of the home to clean it up.
You don't need to use your elbow grease anymore. And Rick, I love that it's under a pound because, listen, if you're somebody that has issues scrubbing, if you, let the pot soak for an hour or 2 hours or overnight because you don't want to scrub it and you have a hard time doing
that. Or maybe
that.
like you've got dexterity issues.
Yeah, dexterity
you got
issues.
arthritis. You're like 75, 80 years old. You're like, I can't scrub the doggone pan anymore.
No.
Guys, this is a great product. Brought it in, didn't bring a lot in today. One color. Awesome brand new item. And this brand, did I get it right? This is not readily available in the United States,
No,
right?
exactly right. So easy to use. This is where you're getting it, and you're getting it with all these extra brushes. But look at the job that this does. No longer letting pans have to soak overnight or hoping that your husband or wife, does them before you get to them. This does it for you. It takes all the elbow grease and that difficult kind of scrubbing and hard work and effort out of all these jobs in our home.
More attachment ideas
Yeah,
here.
so
This is a cone kind of brush.
Exactly. So let me walk you through this. You pop them on, pop them off, all of your attachments super easily. There's a high and low feature. It goes up to 85 minutes, depending which setting you use. So it's just an easy on-off button. There's low, there's high. You recharge it right here at the bottom.
Okay.
There's your charging port, and then you slip this back on. That means it's waterproof, and I can use it anywhere in my home and inside the shower and outside. But all these jobs, so the cleaning, all these deep down things that, we normally take and
hard
how
water
long
stains.
To do, right? Hard water stains.
Yeah, scrubbing out the
scale,
sink.
Soap
Going
scum.
back and really cleaning out the bathroom. Pans, you name it. It'll do it. And then let's get to the bathroom. Let's come on over to the bathroom here.
Let's do it.
In the short time we have.
Yeah, so super easy. You can use it with your favorite cleaner, anything you want to use, and then you're just, again, one button on, under a pound.
Got a question. How do I clean the brushes?
Yes.
How do I clean the
so
cleaner?
just rinse them off under water. That's all you
Right.
need to do. Now, because you're using a brush and I'm not using a sponge, I can get into the grout. I'm not banging up my knuckles. I'm not, scrubbing and using all that elbow grease.
Host boy can do this.
The Synoshi is doing it for me. So it just makes everything that much easier, that much faster. Again, it's going to get through things like lime scale, soap scum, grease on your pots and pans.
I just can't not do this. Like that's just like it's your natural move.
Right, it's your natural
but you don't
move
need
to scrub, but you don't need to. And look at the results you get. So from things like this to tile, how about this?
Sure.
You know, we all have the shower heads, right? That get clogged. It only comes out of half of the, little holes here. You're using your fingernail in the shower. Look at what a great job that does. And I didn't have to use any elbow grease again. This does it all for me.
Keep
so
going.
Easily.
The oven.
The oven. So really difficult things that are hard to clean. Again, that you'd be using your own elbow grease. You'd be using your own wrist and hurting yourself. My mom had carpal tunnel surgery on both wrists. So she doesn't want to be scrubbing and doing things like that.
No
Again,
doubt.
this does it for you.
What about the steel wool? What are you using the steel wool on?
Steel wool is going to be great for your grills, stainless steel pots and pans, anything like that. Any really tough messes, you're going to use that on. You can even do it on windows. So I'm going to come over here and show you how easily it is, and I'll leave that one there because I have the brown grease on it. But
2 minutes and brand new, by the way.
easy.
All the attachments coming along with it. You've never seen it before.
No.
We have it on cue and letting it do the work on the windows.
Letting it do the work. Now, this could be my windows. This could also be my shower doors, my tub surround, my fiberglass shower stall, anything like that. And it does it all for me quickly, easily, and look at the results you get. And again, I'm not scrubbing. That's what it's all about. And feel how lightweight this is, Rick. Under a pound.
It's under a pound.
So it's so lightweight, so simple and easy to use.
Here comes the Synoshi. 2 of each, by the way. You're getting more. So this is less money than the Synoshi by itself. As 500 people are shopping, that's a lot. 500 people just jumped on the line to pick this up, and you're getting like twice the attachments that you normally would.
You are.
Extra attachments only here at QVC. You just rinse them out, use them again and again and again, and yeah, the power scrubber that gives you 263% faster compared to my hand doing the scrubbing.
Yeah, and if somebody said, hey, I'm going to give you 263% of your time back, you'd say, sign me up, right?
263% less work.
And that's what this does.
Yes,
it
please.
makes it so easy. It's, again, I keep saying this because you won't believe when you get it home how lightweight it is. It is under a pound. So if you have dexterity issues and you have a hard time scrubbing, you don't want to be holding a heavy tool, right? You don't want to be holding something that's 5 pounds. This is lightweight. It's easy to use. It's high and low. There's no crazy buttons to figure out. You just turn it on. It recharges, so you don't have to buy batteries. You never have to worry about that. It recharges in under 2 hours, runs up to 85 minutes. So you really can clean and clean and clean before you think about recharging.
I come back to your mom, who just had surgery.
Yes. Well, she had it a few years ago, but yes, on both wrists, though.
Right.
Yeah,
To somebody with dexterity issues. Somebody's just, they don't have the wrist power anymore.
No.
They can't, it's hard to open up a jar. Remember my mom, God rest her soul. It's tough. And yet you don't want to hire people to do everything. Right? I want to be able to do some stuff myself. You can do it now and let the Synoshi do the job. It's rechargeable, no batteries, no cord. I don't need an outlet for this.
No, and that's what's great. And it's these simple everyday jobs. It could be the spring cleaning, it could be the heavy duty cleaning. You could take this out and do the hubcaps, and your wheel wells on your tires. But it's also these simple things, these everyday things that we need to clean on a pretty regular basis, and that we let soak because it's so hard to get clean. We hope somebody else gets to it first so we don't have to do it, right? And it does it, but it does it for you, and it does it simply and easily.
Easy to attach, they just pop on, right? Hey, 700 people are shopping right now. There it is. I love it. Okay, keep going.
All right,
so this is the
do it.
actual movement on it.
Right.
So it's not going to scratch.
No.
Not going to harm. I can use any kind of cleaning solution I want on it.
Any of your favorite cleaning solutions. So I'm just going to dip this in a little bit of soapy water.
Let me do that.
Again, here's a plate. Okay, so maybe you're cleaning the dishes. Maybe you have a dishwasher, but you got to clean like the dried on stuff off.
Is it one speed?
It's high and low. So the first button will be low. The second button goes to high.
Is it on high now?
Yep.
Okay, I want it on high.
And that's it. And it's so easy. It's taking the elbow grease out of all of the everyday
that's
jobs.
good. Give me another one.
And the bigger jobs. So let's see.
Going.
You want to do the pie plate?
I want to do the pie plate.
Do the pie plate. We'll clean everything up here so we don't have to clean up when we're done.
Okay.
And look at the result you get. It just makes it simple and easy, and you get an attachment for every job. So Rick's using the sponge attachment. We also have this great scouring pad attachment, so that's going to be great. I have a cast iron, an enameled cast iron. I use it probably to cook 3 or 4 times a night. It's a bear to clean. So this makes it easy because it's not, again, it's not me scrubbing with my nails and fingernails.
Yeah.
It's letting this do the work so that I don't have to do it.
Okay, one more. Wow, we got 1 more minute left.
All right, where should we go?
So you just pop the thing off. You don't have to screw anything on.
Nope, that's it. They pop
you're
on and
scouring
off.
now?
Yep, scouring.
have
So
it
do you want
low?
to do the oven door again? Should we head back over there?
Okay, boom. Low. And then high.
And again, this is non-scratching, so it's going to be safe. The scouring pad for all of your
Good.
surfaces and pots
Good.
and pans.
Almost 1,000 people
so
shopping.
That's nice to know.
You know what it is? Whenever I do it, they go, oh, well, if that knucklehead can do it, that always
Then
makes
I
them
can
call
do-
in
then
every
anybody
single
can
time.
do it, right?
And anybody can do it.
And look at this result. So
No
you know,
movement whatsoever, no work, no manual labor, just let it go.
and you don't have to get your hands dirty. That's what's nice.
That's a show. Let's just do a show. You know what? Even Rick could do it. That should be a
Yes!
show.
Let's do it.
That
yes.
is.
It should be a show. That's great.
I mean, everybody said it's got to be so easy.
Yeah.
Okay, great to have you here.
Oh, thanks. Great to be here.
Hey, almost 1,000 people are shopping now in the moment. I got. Hey, by the way, we do not have time for general tools during the show, but letting you know that it's available. This is a digital laser level, like the perfect level every time. All there for you. Okay, by the way, we're going to bring back